Welcome back. You're now familiar with Pay Yourself First. The next step is to decide how much of your income should be spent and how much should be saved. One of the simplest and most effective ways to do this is by following the 50-30-20 rule. Under this rule, 50% of your monthly income covers essential needs, including rent, groceries, utilities, fuel, insurance, school fees, internet, mobile bills, and necessary EMIs first only. For example, if your monthly salary is 75,000, around 37,500 can be allocated toward these essential expenses. The next 30% covers wants, including dining out, shopping, entertainment, weekend outings, vacations, streaming, and other non-expensive lifestyle expenses that enhance enjoyment without being necessary for living. With a monthly salary of 75,000 rupees, your 30% wants allocation is about 22,500 rupees, but you don't need to spend the full amount every month. If you reduce unnecessary expenses in this category, you can save more money and invest it, helping you achieve your future financial goals much faster. Save and invest the final 20% to build an emergency fund, create long-term wealth, prepare for retirement, and purchase valuable assets for future financial security and independence. With a 75,000 rupee monthly salary, save 15,000 first. Prioritize saving before spending, instead of saving only whatever remains afterward each month. Before moving ahead, subscribe to our channel for personal finance insights, smarter decisions, wealth building tips. The 50-30-20 rule is a flexible budgeting guideline rather than a strict rule. Adjust the percentages to match your unique financial circumstances and priorities. For example, living in a high-cost city means essential expenses consume more of your income, leaving less money available for savings, discretionary spending, and other budget categories. During financially challenging times, saving even 10% of your income is a good start. Build the habit of saving consistently. Then gradually increase your savings whenever possible. Tracking expenses is easy when you follow a simple routine. First, put your savings aside before spending anything else. Then use the remaining money for your monthly expenses. If you like using a notebook, spend a few minutes each evening recording daily purchases under the categories needs and wants, then calculate your remaining balance. If you prefer convenience, use a mobile expense tracking app that automatically sorts expenses into categories and creates clear monthly reports for better budgeting and financial control consistently. Every Sunday, spend 10 minutes reviewing weekly expenses, calculating spending on needs and wants, determining each percentage, then planning next week's budget by prioritizing essential needs first. This simple weekly habit reduces unnecessary spending, boosts awareness of financial habits, and builds lasting financial discipline through smarter weekly choices confidently. In the next episode, we will learn about the emergency fund, why every family needs one, and how to build it step by step. Until then, keep tracking your money, keep saving consistently, and continue your journey from zero to wealth.